What up, YouTube? Well, today we're gonna finally put the bumper vent on that you get from 350Zs. It's kind of, generic mod that most people do. Here it is. I already kind of put a Sharpie to see where it would be. So right here, thinking of just putting it right there, but honestly, I can probably have it somewhere else. So this is gonna go like this. Right there. So I feel like that's gonna be a good spot. I already made a Sharpie, so I think I'm gonna commit there. I could make it like put it up here somewhere. I think that's gonna be cool. But basically, I'm gonna go get the Dremel and drill that hole out, make it a lot bigger, because obviously it's gonna be take here and there. And yeah, basically it. Okay, so we got a little hole done, but I'm gonna need to make it a lot bigger. So that's kind of what we're doing. We're gonna shave this little piece off and go from there. I think I got it. Honestly, I can't really tell. As you can see, it's kind of crooked, but it's gonna kind of just go like that, like right there, like this. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Obviously, I can't really show you without like putting it on. My drill's dead. Dremel sucked. I need to buy a new one. That one's trash. Don't get a $20 Dremel. Yeah, charger batteries. My Milwaukee, I think, is getting, my Milwaukee battery is probably going to shit too. So it was a little it was getting me a little agitated. So none of my tools wanted to work today, so it took a little longer. But look how big I had to take that. That's a huge hole that I had to drill in my bumper. Already know this bumper's trash, so it don't matter. Could have cut it a little bit better, but it should be pretty nice once I get it like around. I'm not sure yet. I might get it like around there. I might get it around here. I think that's a perfect spot like that. I just can't really tell by walking away because it tilts back to where it's all crooked, But let me get my tools charged and then we're gonna screw it in. So I got it on there. Looks pretty good. It looks alright, honestly. Honestly, it's gonna look a lot better, I think, when I get my my eyelids back on to the speed. Make it look a little more aggressive. But yeah, one last thing is I'm having a black Sharpie and I'm just gonna color over the little screws right here, because yeah, just make it a little cleaner. So let's do that real quick. You know what I just noticed? First of all, it's upside down. And then second of all, I think I bought the one for the left side, the right side for the passenger side, not the left side for the driver's side, which why it looked funky, facing the opposite way, or facing the correct way, which would have been this upside down, but it would have been for the left side. So I don't know. And tell me how you guys think about it. I'll probably end up just taking it off, selling that one, and getting the actual left side. But I'm not sure. I might just keep it that way, just because it's different, and every speed has, RPFs, canards. Like, this build ain't unique at all, really. Of the generic parts that mostly everyone gets, RPFs, hood vents. It's been done a million times before. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all.
Hopefully you guys liked that video. It was kind of short, but it wasn't too bad of a job. Totally gonna buy the driver's side and then kind of give you an update on it. Totally fucked up, but oh well, shit happens. Read the descriptions on stuff, just gotta read. It makes your life easier. Well, I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.